2 green down by N16. Poor child has taken N16. Alright, buddy, you stay here. I'm going to fall back and shift. But look that way, you know. I am? Oh, yeah.
We're on a respawn, moving up roadside.
Good copy.
Get ready, they're going to come out from their respawn as a group. I'm going to let them try and go right by me, and I'm going to try and sneak up and take their bomb.
I believe bomb is safe at respawn point.
That is correct.
Oh.
At the original respawn point, it is. If it was out on the field somewhere else, it's a valid target. Or child at N2.
That controls trackside. There's only 2 of us over here.
What? Yeah, 2 guys. John and one other guy is over there. I took it back. Tan team, let's try and like drop back to like midfield or something like that and give these guys some, because there's nobody's out here. Let's let them roll out a little bit.
Hey, O'Neill, why don't you pull out first? Josh, follow O'Neill.
Drop back to Apache. I got the trackside guys are going to fall back to Apache. Me and a couple others are going to drop back like in and around the war store, and maybe the road guys want to fall back a little bit. I'm right here, buddy. Okay. Go ahead.
Scott looks totally badass out there, man.
4 people of ours, 10 team is going to be out there performing Overwatch, so just let us know.
Good copy. I'll unleash you. Let's let them get out and roll through the northern parking lot a bit, and then we'll take them out.
I have the SVD, so you know that room.
Out?
16, man.
What?
You're going to let them have 16?
Watch out, Dean. Roadside crew calling back to M17.
Good copy, Frank. I see you. I'm by the cataract sign. Seen a couple bodies in and around N8, around the tan van. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rolling out by N8. Dude, I hit that satellite dish. That made a wicked sound.
Alright, where you at?
Pushing up through the southern parking lot up to the ridge.
Got 2 about 20 feet behind the KWA bunker. You know what? Challenge yourself, dude. Let them take it and then take it back. You alright, buddy?
Yeah, guns down.
Gay.
Got battery.
Kind of battery.
Side nunchuck.
Oh, I don't have one of those.
Yeah, I see one over there by the road creeping around between the inner and outer tire bunkers.
One guy. We got like 4 holding at Apache. Got a couple right there. I'm trying to get them to come out.
7-5's going through the center of the maze. I'm going to try and get over by the radio tower in the center.
There's 3 of us here in the town abreast of the radio station. You are totally clear up to that.
They don't stop.
Copy that.
Huh?
They don't stop.
Mm-hmm. Shoot it. It's fucking sweet.
Looks like they're kind of hanging around back there by the can van. Like 2 or 3 back here. They're just kind of chilling out. Just to give you a heads up.
We got Oh shit.
Copy that. Heavy hunting. Let us know if you see anything.
Cool. They actually got our guy.
That dude's been chilling up there for a minute.
I know. I was like, what's up, Big Dan?
So, can you kill people at the respawn?
You can kill somebody at their... Hold on. At their secondary respawn, yeah, where their cone is, yes. At the oil tank, you can't. You got to give them... You can't camp the oil tank.
Oh, second respawn was put for about 5 seconds.
You guys shooting at?
We got 1 or 2 guys in and around N2 and 1 near the KWA bunker. We're all still here in town engaging them at very long range.
Firefighter to team. We got 2 guys. Probably more back by the white cube van. Over.
Sounds like you got Tom in and around that cube.
Yeah. Hey Matt, where are you? Matt, Jacobus.
Go ahead. I'm up at a pit.
Matt, why don't you peel over here into the center of town so you can get that SVD rocking across the swamp here and picking people off from long range.
So yeah, you want me to come in M30 or M32?
No, over here in town, like by the war store. 3 green on the road in and around where the Cube Van Road intersects the main supply route. War Child +2 moving out of respawn on the road.
Okay, sorry about that.
I know she is. Erica's behind M13.
Right at M13.
Yeah. You okay? You alright? Kostaki Gogos, N8. War child at the front of the cube van.
Yeah, be ready. Out of there again.
Killed Costi at N8. Whoa!
Two coming out of respawn, heading towards